What's up, guys? I am in Iloilo. Finally, I've been wanting to come here for such a long time. I got in here pretty late last night. I took a ferry over from Bacolod, and it happens to be the Dinagyang Festival. It's a huge event here in Iloilo, annual event. So there's gonna be lots going on over the next few days, so I came at the right time. Anyways, we're gonna tour around together, guys. I'm gonna show you what it's all about. Man, so far, super impressed. So I'm walking on this Riverwalk. I'm in the far end of it. Apparently, this just goes on for miles and miles. So we got pathways going over bridges. There's another part of the Riverwalk on the other side of the river. We got helmets flying down the street. And I don't know, let's just go this way. Why not? I also have to point out, it is a clean city, crazy clean. Like, I haven't seen trash anywhere. And I hate to say it, but you know, cities like Cebu and even Dumaguete, you're gonna see a little bit of trash here and there, but Iloilo is pretty strict on that. Guys, check this out. Man, these guys have the white gloves on. I think they're gonna bust out and do like jazz hands here in a second. I love Iloilo City. I'm gonna have to say I do love Iloilo City. Oh, I'm about to walk into a photo. I'm sorry about that. Nice landscaping. They really have put in the work to make Iloilo just look nice and presentable. Doesn't this pathway look like something you just want to start jogging on, or grab your bike and go for a bike ride? Woo! Bryan Adams, baby. It's so loud. All the music is, it's always loud in the Philippines. They just love to crank it. All right, the path just keeps going and it continues to be nice. Oh, what the? Oh, dude, are you kidding me? Iloilo, that's garbage. I thought it was a clean city. It's the first piece of garbage I've seen since I've been here. It's a clean city. I'm gonna jog. I feel like I want to jog on this jogging trail. Whew. Test out the GoPro. Is it shaky? How we doing? If you're coming to the Philippines and you want to just capture the moment, I think a GoPro is a good way to go. It's so versatile. Anyways, I'm not trying to sell a GoPro, but link in the description. We'll just go this way. I have no idea where I'm going. I'm just walking, carrying garbage. All right, so I'm actually just gonna cross the road. I want to keep going down this side of the river, and then maybe later we'll do the other side of the river. I guess we got to go through here. Is it open yet? Yeah, we're good. We're good. We're good. What do we have going on here? We got some barbecue. Oh my God, that looks good. How much is that? 200? Yeah, I love milkfish. So good. 200. So I guess a little under $4 for a big barbecued fish. Okay, guys, I think I found the winner. It's 120, and it's cooked with calamansi. Yeah. It's cooked with some citrus. All right, I'll try one. Okay. I'll do one for now. Yeah, we're gonna try one of these. Right now? Right now. Okay. All right. So guys, this is my favorite. I'm probably gonna end up getting two. Yeah, I'll do one serving of rice. That's a good one. Yeah, I think I might get two for 120. So $5 for 2 bangus, a serving of rice. Can't go wrong. I needed the 2. I'm gonna be walking all around town today. I need the energy, and I'm gonna show you something, guys. If you have ever tried it, it is a fermented coconut vinegar with spices and peppers. It's like a spicy vinegar. Once you start putting this on your food, put a little soy on there too and mix them together, it'll change your life. You will start craving it. You'll start putting it on everything. I put it on my eggs, put it on my rice, put it on my fish and chicken. So good. Yeah, that sounds good. Thank you. Oh, he's gonna brush something on there.
Ketchup.
Oh, what is it? Ketchup?
Ketchup, yeah.
Or barbecue?
Oh, barbecue, yes.
All right, that looks, yeah, barbecue sauce is good. Look at that. Oh, baby. Yeah, that's good stuff, guys. The national fish of the Philippines. Come and get it. But I came over here to pay, and she's got these amazing spicy peanuts, salty. We got sweet. So I'm gonna do a mix of sweet and spicy. 2 and 2.
2, okay. And then 2. Yeah.
There we go. So you can just feel the energy picking up in the city as we get closer. I think tonight is when it all starts going down. Tomorrow, even bigger day. And then Sunday is the big one, the big parade, the finale. What's up, guys? What's up? What's up? Say hello to the world.
Hello to the world. Hello.
Thanks, guys. All right, here's the back end of another street that's going to be blocked off with live music. We got some audio stuff and lighting getting set up, and a whole other long stretch of food and drinks. Man, Okay, this Dinagyang Festival, it is a huge festival. This is a major party, you guys. They do not hold back on their festivals here in the Philippines, like not at all. I missed out on the one, the Sinulog Festival is in Cebu City, and I missed that one, and I know that is a massive one, but I am so glad that I came here this weekend to check this out. I mean, I've heard how big festivals are here, how serious they take it. They're putting so much effort into just setting everything up. Anyways, just kind of excited. Just sharing my excitement with you guys. Oh my goodness. Oh, sorry. All right, what's up guys? I'm in a Grab right now. It's like Uber for probably where you're from. If you come to the Philippines, download Grab. This saves so much time. I'm hanging out with Dave, my driver here, and we're heading to the next hotel. If I was going to try to find a taxi with all of this going on with the festival, wouldn't have happened. Called Grab, showed up in like less than 5 minutes, and we're out of here. We're getting through the crowd and heading to the hotel. Download your Grab app before you come to the Philippines. All right, just got dropped off. Everything's kind of blocked off for this parade. So I was gonna walk over here and check into my next, check into my next hotel, guys. Let's check it out. I didn't get to show you the other one, but I'm telling you, it's a good one. Harbor Town Hotel. This is the only thing available. There was not a single review, and it said new to booking.com. No one's ever reviewed it, so come with me and see where I just booked, because I really hope it's okay. As long as there's a bed and a bathroom, I'm good to go. All right. He actually wanted to be on camera. He's like, take a picture of me. So I didn't take a picture, I took a video. I'm just gonna say, so far, clean city, modern city. These are the things you hear about Iloilo. Everything just seems kind of organized, maybe compared to other cities. The roads are in good condition. There's walkways, like nice walkways everywhere, like especially along the river. But as I was driving here, there just seemed to be a lot of places that were well kept, landscaped. I don't know, I guess, you know, the city might have a lot of money to put into it, or it's managed just very well. And maybe the leaders just care about that stuff. You know, they're big on environments and keeping it clean and all that good stuff, which I can appreciate that. I like it. I'm really liking it, actually. And some say, you know, it's not close to nature compared to, like, say, Dumaguete, where you can be up in the waterfalls in no time, but it's got nature right in the city with that river and just kind of green space feel with that. So I'm liking it. All right, hang on. Let me figure out where I'm at. All right, the Green Zone Center. So yeah, there it is. It was not cheap. It was about $60 or $70 a night to stay here. And a lot of that, well, a big part of that has to do with this festival. Prices just went through the roof. Oh, look at that. Corner unit, baby. Let's check it out. Oh, okay. It's cozy. It's a closet. It literally feels like a closet. You walk in and there's a closet. But you know what? What else do you need? It's got a queen size bed, and it's got a TV and a little workspace, and it's new, like it's nice. Okay, stand up shower. Everything's nice and new and tile. Hey, who's that guy? Yeah, so there you go, guys. 40 bucks including breakfast. Right in the, I would say kind of, whoa, hang on. Right in the primo area of Iloilo. It's not gonna be your cheapest city, I can already tell, but I don't think it's gonna be the most expensive. You know, when I've been to places like Coron, Palawan, or, you know, anywhere like super touristy and nice, it's more expensive. Enough jibber jabber, let's go explore. So I just wandered around the city. It was awesome. One thing I noticed, everything is colorful, lit up. There's just cool places to check out everywhere. No foreigners. I didn't see any other foreigners besides me, maybe one or two others. This place is cool. Festive walk, it was awesome. Then I made my way back to my hotel, and the parade was happening right outside my door. To say the Philippines, they know how to do festivals better than anywhere. Hey, what's up guys? It's another day. I'm wearing the plaid again. Plaid Chad is back. I'm retiring this shirt pretty soon, by the way. I think a lot of you will celebrate the day. You don't have to see the plaid again, but check out this corner unit, guys. at the Fig Tree Hotel in Iloilo to wake up and just have this whole window to enjoy the view of Iloilo. Not too shabby. And let's see what we get into. Come with me. You have no choice. If you're watching the video, you're coming with me. Hey, look guys, there's a Ferris wheel in Iloilo. I think that's got to be an attraction. How many cities in the Philippines have a Ferris wheel? I think not many. Let's give it a check mark for all you Ferris wheel lovers out there. All right, I'm walking down to the main Riverwalk area. The place that I was at yesterday, it was a Riverwalk. It's a river and a little walkway, and it was quite nice, but apparently that is not like the main Riverwalk. There's apparently a much nicer one. That's where I'm gonna go right now and show you guys. You're welcome. Iloilo, baby. Guys, this is gonna get redundant in this video, but I have to make a point of it because it's a standout thing. I am on a sidewalk, just on a main kind of highway. This is not the featured walkway of Iloilo. This is like all the walkways in Iloilo. Nicely paved, well maintained, with like a little landscaping in between. It's kind of nice, and I know this is maybe not that big of a thing for some people, but if you've been to the Philippines, this is kind of a standout thing, and Iloilo is known for its city planning, its walkability, its cleanliness, and yeah, I'm noticing it. We made it to a section of the main Riverwalk. Oh, it's nice and wide. So yeah, that's definitely different than the other part of the river. The river here is a lot bigger. It's green space. This is great. I love this. I don't know which way to go. I just wanted to give you a sense of what is here and how it looks. This is really nice. I can't believe I've never really looked into this. I've heard about the Riverwalk. I've heard about Iloilo being very clean and nicely planned. This is great. I love this stuff. So apparently the festivities today for the festival, it's in the old part of town, city proper. So I'm gonna take a taxi down there. And with that said, I have to say that's one of the awesome things I'm finding about Iloilo is it has this really, you know, modern part of town, really nice, kind of higher end, you know, all the stuff that I'm talking about with like good city planning and parks and walkways, but amazing malls and amazing like exhibits around the mall. If you're into that kind of thing, it's got that for you. If you're into the parks and green space and exercise, it's got that. It's got the old, you know, old part of town, which is more similar to other cities in the Philippines. If you rather live in a place like that but still have access to all this other stuff, man, I'm giving this a whole bunch of check marks as a place to live. And I've been kind of comparing, you know, Cebu and Dumaguete. I went to Siargao. Pretty impressed. Kind of like Iloilo. I really like Iloilo. All right, just got dropped off in the old part of town, city proper, and I can hear the drums, the parade, or whatever they have going on. It's just up ahead. The ground is almost vibrating from the percussions. Check it out, we're getting into the crowds again. This is day 2, it's not even the main day. My God, there's stuff everywhere. All right, they're getting geared up. I guess the parade is making its way down through the crowd, down by the river on this side of town. And it is absolute chaos. It's so congested. I tried walking a little bit and it's just like you're a sardine and it's like several blocks down to the water. Anyways, you guys know what a parade looks like. I think I'm gonna actually back out and go the other way. Festivals in the Philippines are no joke. Like they go all out. Everyone shows up for them. They put so much into it. Like just every street having these like flags overhead, all the vendors that come out, and everyone just shows up and has a good time. I think you guys get the idea. It's a happening festival, and hopefully you got like a little bit of an idea about Iloilo. I still have a lot to figure out. I want to figure out livability here, you know, an expat community here, stuff like that. What's it like? And that's the kind of stuff that I think you guys will appreciate is, you know, is this a place where you should consider coming to retire, to spend a bunch of time if you're just traveling, or if you're a digital nomad like me. And yeah, future videos. This is just kind of the first take on Iloilo. I hope you like it. I like it. I really do. I think it's worth checking out and probably worth like staying here for a while. That's the feeling I'm getting. So maybe we'll just leave it at that, guys. Thanks for watching. Oh, by the way, Boracay, it's a 5-hour drive from Iloilo. So talk about like a nice getaway to go there for a week, and you just drive your motorbike to Boracay and get your beach time in. So there's some really cool stuff nearby Iloilo that I'll have to explore in future videos. So it's good stuff. All right, thanks again. See ya.